Right. Just to the right.
Condemn. Chamber. Come on.
Crazy. Get on the beat. Get in the vehicle.
I thought you told us to get out.
No, fucking hell.
I heard Boulder say dismount.
Get back in, we're getting shot.
Down. Clearing down.
Who the fuck said dismount?
Bootleg. Clearing chamber.
Getting out.
Magazine. Wing bulk. Which way did you go, Knight? Towards the danger. Okay, coming.
Pushing. You're going to the left. We got fire to the left side. Check your fire.
Is this how I would look on the left side? I'm not sure.
Come up. I'll come to you different.
Yep. One thing that we're down to that.
Alright, I see him. Go ahead and load him into the truck.
One from the north and from the east. North and the east.
Let's go, let's go.
Alright. Push up to the bridge.
Jesus Christ, dude!
What?
Crazy shot at me and I fucking shot him.
Watch your fire.
It's good, it's good.
There's somebody nearby here. I can hear him.
You got a village there, straight ahead. To the left. Shit now.
God, I'm just like, shoot fucking O for shooting friendlies.
Pushing up.
I think you
There's
shouldn't be doing
somebody
that.
around here.
Whoa! Oh.
Who is that?
Pushing
I
to
don't
the
know,
north.
but a friendly Murphy just
Oh,
went down in
shit.
front of me.
Murphy, sorry about that.
Did you just shoot?
Yeah, I
There's
just
a
hit
definitely
Murphy.
here, son.
Those are 3 cases of friendly fire I've heard of already today.
Friendly,
It's
friendly.
Vietnam.
Friendly.
To the trees.
Just keep talking is the best way to stay alive and not get shot by a
Someone's dead
buddy.
in the truck.
Alright. I'm gonna get him
Alright,
back to
pushing
the
down
truck.
the hill.
30 rounds left in my belt.
I think it was about 3 or 4 squads that rolled up on us.
Jesus.
Yeah, you look right. Alright, this fine. Alright, dismount.
Dismounting.
Everybody out. Get the fuck out of the road!
Alright,
Fuck my dick.
pop
You're
that ridge
good.
line.
Good, right there. You're good right there.
Push it.
Mold into 1-1. Murder them. Rape, pillage, and murder.
Keep her going. We're pressing this and looking down on them.
Alright, if you really want to pull off
What is this front?
Whoa, shot. Take cover.
Got one.
Frag out. Frag out.
Moving up.
We pushing.
There's one right next to us. Where the fuck is he?
Pushing up.
Pushing. Yeah. I'm here, mate. I'm here, yeah. I'm with ya. Where are you, Grabe?
Looking for you.
Yeah, I'm here.
I'm hearing you.
There you go, straight ahead, mate.
It's one end.
Gotcha.
Way.
Heading towards the village.
Hey, we're going back. We're looking for bootleg. He's probably down somewhere. Hey. Everyone here, we're gonna comb the little area back here. Bootleg's down. We gotta find them.
Roger that.
Bootleg is down. We gotta find them. Empty. No, there's three running over this.
It's gonna be fucking hard to find bootleg here.
Yes, it is. Okay, I would say someplace coming down off of this hill. Is that friendly or is that
Enemy.
that's enemy? This enemy?
His chest is open.
You found him. Found bootleg.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, they got him.
Joker, Dark Horse.
Yeah, they found him.
Nothing.
Found him?
Yeah, they found him. They got him on top of the hill here. Is any man? Do you need any help?
No, I'm good. I think everyone's fine.
Well, we're taking rounds here.
No, that's cook-off.
You see traces, mate?
Oh, really?
Yeah. Whoa. Hey guys, you got traces. 060. 060.
Why are they shooting?
We're getting shot on.
Can you see some?
Yeah, we're getting traces. 03 northeast. Hey, Knight, we've got contact. Yeah, it's coming. 030 northeast. Where the white box is?
We're gonna go north and 50 rounds off that road.
Shit.
Taking contact from the
Yeah,
northwest.
I'm with you, I'm with you, I'm on your right. Shit, got knife down, knife down. Need a medic. Drag out. Got knife down. Hey, is there any medic? Yeah, we got knife down here.
Is he alive?
I don't know. Check him out for us.
Okay.
Take him. Plastic fire. Reloading. Keep your head down.
You need help over there, Murphy?
Knight's dead. Knight died.
He died?
Yeah.
I didn't see his name.
Murphy, you good?
Yeah, I'm good. It's just nice. I don't know if he's dead or what. What are we doing? Golda, what are we doing?
Oh, lady. We're pulling security in until everyone else in the medevac comes out.
So check this out, Murphy.
Yeah, boy.
Have a look at my medical.
It's all. Why, what's it look like?
This is me today. I've not got bruised. I've not been shot. I haven't got.
Wow.
I don't know, man. I seem to be absolutely.
Fucking night got struck out, man.
Sure did.
I'm typically
Well,
one
life
of the
is
most
working
effective,
correctly
but I've
this
been
week.
slacking.
For now.
Is
Last week I
participating.
like-
Pretty good op. I like
I
it.
don't know, I had like
How
10 or
about you stop
something.
outside of the subjective before driving?
No, we're gonna ram right into it.
But it's still been a great, great
I
It's
got
gonna
a
be
fun
suggestion.
today.
This next turn, we dismount some dudes so that we can do a flanking maneuver into it, like from the east.
He talking. He's muted.
I
think
still
we
haven't
just
gotten bruised, Knight.
That's
What do you
push on
hilarious.
in because this terrain is hell.
I like that. You should come out this black thing right here.
Can't hit the broadside of a
Can't see,
747.
can't see, can't see.
That's the one failure of these trucks is that there's no mounted gun to the front.
See, that line is kind of what I wanted to do.
I kind of agree with older
Alright, stop
self this
truck,
thing from the
stop the
side.
Stop the truck.
Hold on. Get into
Well,
a
if you
level
agree
ground.
with us, this is
What's the
your
matter,
thing.
Gondo?
Alright, I'm getting up.
I'm gonna get out.
I'm gonna stay with the truck.
Crazy, come on. Just keep
Heading
up,
out,
keep
yep.
up to man the
And
gun.
now,
Get back in.
All down now.
I think he was fine.
All right, dismounting.
Dismount.
Alright, if you're coming with me over here.
what are we doing?
Oh, fucking hell.
We're going
Oh,
to assault the
mountain.
compound.
We're headed
Okay.
northwest.
They can go.
That
Anybody can
compound.
go.
I'm
Okay.
already gone.
Go ahead. You can go.
Wait, what are we doing?
I'm not
You
sure
want to
what's
go
happening.
assault the compound? Go
We're
ahead.
assaulting this compound.
Oh,
Trying to need to single file it through the trees a bit.
Alright, boys.
Go,
Yep.
go, 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 go. Go, Wolfie, go. Go, Wolfie, go. Go, Wolfie, go. Go, yeah, climb, Wolfie, climb, go. Go.
Whoa, shots fired.
You're shooting. Go. Get out there, Wolfie. Get out there, Wolfie. Be
Cover me.
brave.
Downhill, cover. Gun jam?
I love a 76 too.
Nope. Reloading?
One shot and he went down.
Yep, all right.
Yeah, I'm
User
forward.
left your channel.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, hold fire on the 40.
Moving forward. Moving up, moving up.
Alright. Pushing up with you.
Pushing, pushing. At the wall.
Left to like walk.
Check the huts.
Check these
Check
huts.
the huts.
Yeah, Vicky, thank you very much.
Alright, by the numbers, clear the huts.
Even in the middle huts.
Not by me.
And remember, your bullets will go through the walls.
Wall bang them.
No, because fucking friendly is hard to shoot the other building.
Alright, entering from the back.
Huh.
That looks like a guy.
One person. That's all that was defending this place.
Clear.
That's weird.
Are we gonna burn these huts down? I've got the option there to burn it.
Do ya?
Yeah. I'm gonna burn this one down. Yeah. Lighten it up, boys. Lighten it up.
Here it goes.
Yeah. Fucking fire. Look at that, Mom. Fucking NBA Village, man. Burn it.
Blood, blood, blood and fire.
Should I fire a flare to signal we won?
I got radio here. Radio equipment.
Alright, any supply caches?
I'm gonna set this one on fire.
Yeah, over
Yeah,
here,
I
but,
think.
like,
Is this a
I'm burning this one down.
How do you burn things down?
It's got a radio in it. It's got a radio in it.
Yeah, I found one of those earlier. You can't interact with it or anything. It's just
how do I burn
static.
things?
Right, go up to the hut and then go until you gotta have a lighter on you.
Ah.
How the fuck did I get a small tear? Uh-oh.
That snapping sound?
What?
Food
Murphy,
equipment.
You wouldn't mind borrowing me a lighter?
I've only got one.
Can I borrow it?
No, I'm burning.
I really want to burn.
Oh, where's my? I can't burn that on.
He does it every
It's the
fucking
truck.
time.
I've ran out. Shit.
alright, everybody, mount up.
Alright.
Hold up, we got inserts coming.
Where's...
Are there any more objectives left?
Carry on.
No, this is final OBJ.
Yeah.
Turn the
Now we just
fucking
gotta make
rock
it back to
down.
base.
Yeah, burn, man.
Alright, might as well move up to our truck then.
Stop fucking burning houses down.
It's fucking NBA.
Murphy's just gonna torch this whole place.
Just getting rid of it.
It's NBA, mate.
Yeah, but my fucking frame's getting the fire effect.
Oh, fucking hell.
Burn, baby, burn.
It's an NBA village. It has to burn.
The people's lives are fucking with Murphy.
It's an NBA. It's fucking NBA.
Sure, they haven't said anything yet.
You say NBA, I say NBA.
Thought Charlie was here.
Yeah, it's fucking... Burn the lot fucking down.
This one's got a lot of rounds left.
Yeah, look at that now, charcoal.
You left one standing, Murph.
I know it wouldn't light.
Are they trying to hit
That's
the landing
just
pad?
that's just tragic.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
I marked our route.
Not as
Yeah.
tragic as the lack of
We're not going that way.
marijuana.
Why not?
Oh no.
So
Plenty of that.
I
just
haven't
taking
seen a
reverse
single
the route
plant.
we came in.
Yeah.
Now they're burning the observation platforms.
He's right. You won't be able to get used to that. Just burn it all down.
We had some bras. We could burn those too.
Yeah. You won't be using this again, will we?
But it'd be purely symbolic at this point.
All right, let's RTB.
Let it
Run
burn,
faster.
Let it burn.
No.
I know, he's not even sprinting. Yeah.
No, remember the whole don't fuck around thing? Yup.
As
Exactly.
he walks slowly up to the vehicle.
Hey, I'm still making it to the
Endangering all
vehicle.
of us.
All right, you in?
I am
My
in.
officer.
If you know how to get back, get us back.
All right. Get out. Yeah, you're sending us.
It's actually, we already drove through it.
Yeah, man.
Jesus.
I don't know, man. It just makes me think of go-go boots and bad hairdos, mini skirts. Isn't it? Can't you just see the go-go girls doing this? Strip club music or something? I don't know. Probably just me. I'm a jaded.
Alright. See you in a bit, okay?
Killed a lot of BC, but we're not out of the woods till we're on the other side of the river.
Where goes that?
Not going to
shit?
be out one for crashing into.
No overtaking, fucking dickheads.
Say the word.
It's gonna take about, probably gonna take about 20 minutes to get back. This brings us pretty much to 8 o'clock. Yeah,
Nice, Paddy.
Yeah,
That looks so nice.
if we could take vehicles cross country, I would just have us go out through the POW ATM.
We're gonna stop and check on that 113 at waypoint 3.
Yeah, we can tow it back, if nothing else.
one fucking kill.
Yeah.
Lucky you. God. Disheartening, I tell you.
Hey, at least you never died, group.
That shit happens.
Still plenty of time for him to die.
That's an achievement on its own in the man.
Yeah.
That's true.
Not dying?
Not even a
Yeah.
bruise.
We're gonna hit a fucking landmine now because he said something.
Not even a bruise.
That's fucking sweet, that man.
Mr. Invulnerable.
Which is your favourite Vietnam film then, Nate?
Film?
Yeah, movie?
Probably, Apocalypse Now Redux.
Yeah, fantastic.
They did a redo of Apocalypse Now.
It's the Redux version.
Longer.
Did it? Yeah, it's like 3.5 hours long, but it's so
yeah, it's amazing.
and well
Director's
done.
cut?
Yeah, beyond.
Oh, okay.
It's beautiful.
Yeah,
it's
it is.
beyond like a director's cut.
There's a couple parts that are really painful though, but there's like
Hey,
stuff
the whole
about
movie's
the
fucking
French,
painful. Give me a break.
like
Yeah,
the
I'll have
French
to check it out sometime. Honestly, I've
plantation
never
owners.
seen the original release
that-
all the way through.
Apocalypse Now.
I might put that on tonight,
Right,
actually.
right. On our way back.
Right.
Right.
I've got the box set with that, Nate.
Of what?
Redux.
Oh, nice.
I've got the full box. I bought the proper box set, yeah. With all different versions.
It's a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
At the
Apocalypse Now.
time, I don't know. At the time, it really was the biggest fiasco of its time.
I mean, Full Metal Jacket is a really nice
Yeah, that's
done
good.
film too.
Yeah. Didn't you like Platoon?
I am.
Never
Didn't-
really been a fan of that film.
Like,
Oh, right.
You know, Platoon was kind of a stupid movie, but
What's
I
up,
liked
Gunville?
it.
It was too
I
Hollywoody.
am. You know,
Yeah, yeah.
Call of Duty-ish.
Hollywood.
Yeah.
Yep.
Rapid pile.
Careful, Gondor. You might earn a new nickname.
We're not gonna run the fuck off.
Nah, you're pretty much into the cleared area, I think.
Yeah.
Yep.
If anything, they're gonna test us at the river crossing.
And don't forget, space might be under artillery.
Which is what I would do if I were the fucking.
Bam!
Oh,
you gotta go
Good. Good.
Oh, I
solid
forgot.
hit
That
on
was a
that
hard
one.
turn.
Did I just hear a dog?
We completely missed
No.
the turn.
It's the hydraulics.
And judging by the lack of machine gun fire, I don't think they're gonna contest us here.
No.
Nope.
Yeah, that part in Redux, in Apocalypse Now Redux, where the boat they get way up river and they run into where the Playboy bunnies ended up.
Oh, yeah.
In the
Sex
camp
slaves.
without like a CO. It was just
Oh, that was just amazing, that part.
just such a creep fest horror show.
We
Yeah,
did.
it was, mate. Whoa, shots fired! Oh! What the fuck?
Oh, they're all in
Can't go
the
anymore.
right.
Oh shit! Shit, in front, straight ahead! Oh shit!
Reloading.
Take him out, shit, there's a loaded in right front. Shit, now you get hit! Greenwood, are you okay?
We lost the other bit.
The fucking trees! What do you think of shooting that gun though?
Copy. Ugly dark on 7.
I was just about to say.
Now I'm down to one box.
I've had so many complex jams today.
Yeah, got my second kill.
Dark horse, Joker.
Welcome to my world.
I got my fourth kill, man.